What we're doing, guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys. So stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing some banana fritters. So I got 3 well-wrapped bananas here. I got some cinnamon, some nutmeg, vanilla, flour, sugar, pinch of salt, some syrup, and some strawberries. So stick around, let me walk you through this one real quick. Alright, so first I'm going to peel the bananas. Make sure they're well ripe. Alright, now you can get like something to crush. The riper the banana, the easier this part will be. Alright, so now you just get a fork. It'll probably be easier to maneuver. Just make sure you get all puree. You could use a mixer. You can use a blender if you want it to be really liquidy, but I like when they have a little bit of texture to it. Guys, we're almost there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add some cinnamon. The exact recipe measurement will be in the description, guys. Add some vanilla extract. Gonna add a pinch of salt. Gonna add our brown sugar. Gonna add some nutmeg. This is fresh nutmeg, straight from Jamaica. Alright guys, now we got just our flour to go. I'm going to go ahead and add our flour slowly, not the whole thing at once. You don't want it to be too thick. Now I just recommend adding little by little. It's starting to get messy. Alright, let's add the rest of this and then just mix this and knead everything together. Alright guys, this is the texture and the consistency you want. Nice, now we're going to go ahead and get our pot ready for our fry. Alright, what we got there? Hold on. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and make 1 spoon. Then we're going to separate spatula and just move it all across. Don't want them sticking together. And it's gonna let them go 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Guys, do a quick turn. Just be really careful with these. This one don't want to turn. Let's repeat the process, guys, until they're ready. We'll probably go ahead and add another one. Alright guys, make sure you put some napkin. And what this is going to do is it's going to help with the oil for when they're ready. Alright guys, those are almost ready. Just going to go ahead and add another one. Alright, now we're going to get these ones out. I'm not fry it yet. I'm going to go a little bit more. We'll turn the fire up a little bit. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and get these out. It's going to, what the napkin does is going to absorb all the oil. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and finish off our batch. Just to get 2 more of this. Alright guys, now it's time to plate up our fritters. I'm going to go ahead and some strawberries. And I'm going to cap this off with some syrup. Alright guys, that's it.